Hello guys, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger NJ. Today we will be creating a developer org that is a kind of sandbox, or you can say scratch org, in which we will be creating or working with Apex, LWC components. So it's kind of like a rough org, you can say. So first of all, we need to go to this link. I'll be pasting this link in this video, and then we need to fill out these details. So I'll be filling out these details. You can fill out your respective details. We need to select the username, which should be unique to all the Salesforce orgs present. Then we will click on the sign me up button. And it is showing that it is processing, so we need to wait for a few seconds. We'll click on this button again just to check that our processing should be complete. Yes. So now we need to wait for email to be received. Let's wait for it. So now we have received the email, and we can see that they have provided us with the URL, username which we had given, and then this verify account button. So we will click on this verify account button, and it will navigate us to the page which will ask us to enter or create new password. So we need to wait for a few minutes if you are seeing this page, and then we can come back to it again. So after a while, if you open that verify account button again, you will see this page, and then we can enter our password according to the given requirements. You can change it, and refresh it again after some time, and you can see that it will look like this, and you will be able to successfully create the org. So now if we'll go back, no, yes, so that's how we have created our free developer org. This org we will use to create or learn Apex code, Apex triggers, and LWC components. So yes, if you have any question on this, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.